David and Gina Kwan, and we have decided to do a home renovation, and we chose to do it with collaborative construction.
The core of the renovation was the upstairs and the kitchen, right? The end result is that we got the kitchen that we wanted. Things that was almost like an afterthought was the bar area in the basement. Always kind of wanted to have. Quite happy with it. It looks really good.
It's like very happy. It's not like he's quite happy. Companies that Colab brings in, like they all had a little part in making this better because they had ideas from their experiences, not just our wish list that we started with.
Like collaborative, in the name of the company, right? They do have a lot of good people, they bring in, and we pulled ideas from everybody.
Yeah, I think they, they really get it, and they're down to earth and like super friendly and attentive. It was a good feel.
Definitely recommend collaborative to our friends and family. Having that one-on-one relationship with the people that you deal with is really important to me. You need to have a renovation done. Reach out and contact the folks at Cloud.